Is your Apple Watch battery draining too fast? Maybe it barely lasts a full day or dies within a few hours. This can be really frustrating, especially if you rely on it for fitness tracking, notifications, or calls. In this guide, I will show you simple and effective fixes to stop your Apple Watch battery drain and improve its battery life right away. Sometimes, a simple restart can fix background issues draining your Apple Watch's battery. To restart your Apple Watch, press and hold the side button, then tap on the power button. After your Apple Watch turns off, turn it back on. Apps constantly refreshing in the background can drain battery quickly. To turn off background app refresh for unnecessary apps, open the Settings app, tap on General. Here, tap on Background app refresh. On the next page, either completely turn this feature off or disable it for unnecessary apps. You can also reduce Apple Watch battery drain by reducing screen wake time, because display staying on longer uses more battery. To do this, open the Settings app, tap on Display and Brightness. Here, scroll down and tap on Wake Duration and set it to 15 seconds. The always on display feature can also drain battery fast. To turn it off, open the Settings app, tap on Display and Brightness, and turn off always on. When you receive too many notifications on your Apple Watch, your screen wakes up often and it uses battery. You can turn off unnecessary notifications on your Apple Watch by opening the Watch app on your iPhone. Here, tap on Notifications and then disable notifications for apps you don't need. The Raise to Wake feature can also drain battery. This feature turns on your screen every time you move your wrist. To turn it off, open the Settings app, tap on Display and Brightness. Here, turn off Wake on Wrist Raise. Frequent workouts or GPS tracking can drain battery faster on your Apple Watch. It is a good idea to close Workouts app when it is not in use and avoid leaving tracking apps running in the background. One of the biggest reasons for battery drain on Apple Watch are software bugs. You can eliminate them by updating your Apple Watch to the latest version of watchOS. To update your Apple Watch, open the Settings app, tap on General, then tap on Software Update and install any available updates. If nothing has worked so far, try resetting sync data. For this, open the Watch app on your iPhone, go to General, tap on Reset, and then tap on Reset Sync Data. One of the most effective ways to fix persistent issues and improve battery life is unpairing and repairing your Apple Watch with your iPhone. To do this, open the Watch app, tap on All Watches, then tap your watch. Tap on the Unpair Apple Watch button, and after it has unpaired, pair it back again. If your Apple Watch battery is still draining quickly after trying all these fixes, your battery health might be degraded and may need replacement. These fixes work on all Apple Watch models running the latest watchOS, including Series 3 and newer. In most cases, these steps will significantly improve your Apple Watch battery life and help it last all day again. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more Apple Watch and iPhone tips on iOS Hacker. Thanks for watching.